across our table, we have a guest. And then we're like, what's up? Come behind Sophia.
I can't do all that, okay? We got a cheap editor.
At least you can put ta-da, little song.
Okay, I'll try.
Well,
anyway.
this is Sophia.
Sophia, this is me right now.
This is the public. But we're at
A vegan fine food in
Fort Lauderdale, right?
Lauderdale.
We're not in the hood this time. This one likes the hood.
Hey, you know.
But we got a lot of foods to eat, so
We get a feast.
And
It
I'm
looks like
hungry,
Thanksgiving
so.
here.
yeah, vegan Thanksgiving in where are we? September. I forgot what month we're in.
I forgot to. It's okay.
Okay, so
Alright.
it's still early in the month, that's why. But enough talking and let's start eating because this is a lot of food.
Who's going first? Sophia, she's the guest.
Okay, I'll go first.
All right, so she got the
vegan nachos.
Vegan
Nachos.
And it comes with avocado now. Before you had to pay $2, but now it's like a part of it, which is awesome.
yes. Can't
So
ever
I'm
forget
excited.
avocados. Get something with a lot of stuffs on it so you can give an opinion on everything.
Here.
Oh yeah.
It's an avocado.
Thanks.
I was gonna say that, but you beat me to it.
Put some avo on.
This place is pretty cool too, guys, because it's like a market inside.
Yeah, it's a
and
vegan
stuff.
market and a restaurant, which I never seen in West Palm, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, Felicia.
Honest opinions.
That's really good.
Can you taste anything
can taste,
that's different from like regular?
The only thing I taste different is like the cheese is a little bit different texture.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, you would never guess that these are vegan nachos.
Cool.
Like, they're really good.
I know you were like taste licking the sour cream and stuff too.
Yeah, the sour
Yeah.
cream is a little different, but like it still has the same consistency of like regular sour cream.
And it complements it all, right?
Yeah, that's really good.
She really likes the vegan loaded fries from that food truck we really like that we can never pronounce.
Those are delicious.
Yeah.
Those are like our favorite.
Yeah, as you can see, me and Sophia were on Snapchat the other day.
A couple days ago.
Eating some
3
loaded
days
nachos.
ago.
2 days ago.
Those are really good.
But-
I never guess those
Alright.
fries were.
Our turn.
Our turn to
We gotta
try,
like
try.
play Tetris with
Yes.
our plates.
Try.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm
This-
excited.
When a vegan's excited to eat.
She's angry.
I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten much. I had half of a smoothie because I had an interview today.
Listen, I didn't drink my protein shake just to not feel full. I'm glad because look at all the
She put
freaking
some
food we
avocado.
got.
So much food.
Yeah, I didn't eat this morning specifically because I knew we were coming.
Yeah, but I didn't think we were gonna get all this.
I don't know.
So I'm glad.
Yeah, I knew. Sorry for the wait.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Have we had vegan nachos anywhere yet?
I have.
But on our
But
channel.
not recording.
I don't think so.
I don't remember neither.
Oh my god, these chips are so good.
Oh man, my
Yeah,
turn.
they taste like
I think they're
Fresh.
homemade.
Yeah, I was
Yeah, I
gonna
was
say, maybe they
gonna say
make them in-house.
they taste homemade.
Fun. Never know.
Yes.
Alright, we get a clean chip so I could just add up a little bit of everything.
That was really good.
Oh no meat left
I'm glad I
behind.
told you to get
Yeah, yeah. Because I almost got the bowl.
bowl.
the bowl. But
But
the
I was like-
crunchy chips just
Yeah,
complements it a
yeah.
lot.
You gotta try the chips, like, because vegan chips are a little. I mean, some chips are, different, made with different oils and stuff.
Yeah.
So, I can definitely taste the difference in the chips between like what you
Eat
buy
the
at the
avo.
store.
Oh,
I forgot avo. Get that little piece right there.
She's like, oh. With a full mouth.
that's yummy.
What you think?
What is the carne? Oh, is it supposed to be chorizo?
Yeah.
Chorizo crumbles. It's good for it being, not actual like.
A little
A little chorizo on your bottom lip.
That's yummy, guys. Oh my god, I wish there was like something like in the future that if you're watching someone eat, you can like taste what they're eating.
Yeah.
Or like smell what they're eating, you know? Like smell-o-vision. But taste-o-vision.
No, yeah, really.
Alright, what's next?
I say, we have the Cuban right here.
Okay.
Yeah, might as well. Get away, fly.
So-
this is our food.
So you already know this one.
Gotta be Cuban.
Goddamn Cuban.
This is a different Cuban. This is more of what I was looking for the last time we
For
went
your
for my
birthday.
birthday. I got the Cuban, but it was more of a pork Cuban
Like
sandwich.
lechon asado.
Yeah, this is more of what I
Aceite.
was looking for, which is like ham and cheese kind of Cuban sandwich. Which is so good. I can't wait.
I like how they put like they
It's
add,
so
like,
aesthetically pleasing. They put the
watermelon.
olive,
They make
the
it look
tomato, and the
cool,
pickle,
yeah.
and
They make it look
watermelon.
fancy, like the name.
like fine
Yeah,
foods.
it
Yeah.
looks. Yeah.
So I'm ready to dig in.
Just make sure you guys bite in the pickle, because I'm not for the pickles.
Holy cow!
Alright, Felicia.
That is so good.
Really?
I'm moving to Fort Lauderdale.
It's like, okay, guys.
I have a feeling she was gonna say like,
I'm
Fort Lauderdale. I'm
just
coming
quit
to Fort
my job
Lauderdale.
and move on.
I eat this every day.
You're gonna move in the little bridges back there with the water.
Yeah.
Live off the water.
Basically, yeah.
Your face.
She's like, I just want to keep eating. You guys can't have that.
She's like, F you guys. Say something.
I can't. I don't have words.
See, this looks really good.
Oh, here you go. I'm like, say something. You're like,
I was left speechless.
The bread is really like
different.
different. It's like
It's buttery.
a lot of moisture in the bread, and it's not dry.
Alright, let's move my burger towards you
Different.
guys.
Have you ever had a real Cuban?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, she had me. Sorry.
She admitted she's Cuban.
Right? You never claimed Cuban, so. No, that like the
I'm gonna go this side because then I
consistency,
get.
the texture of the bread
Yeah,
was
don't
perfect.
get the side with the pickle. It's on the bottom.
What is this supposed to be? Like the cheese?
It's
Yeah.
cheese, yeah.
Oh, you know what I thought it was? A fried egg.
No, for a second I was looking at it, I'm like, there's egg
Because
on
the
there?
mustard too makes it look like a fried egg.
Yeah.
Okay, M4.
I told you. Even her, the one that doesn't like Cuban food, got big old eyes.
This is just like a Cuban sandwich.
I know it's bomb.
Give me. Another thing that we like about this place too, guys. Every sandwich comes with
Either
a side of watermelon and
or
melon.
melons, or they also some of the stuff on the menu has like they have like cute or diced tomato, like yellow and red tomato with arugula and
Yeah.
lettuce and stuff,
This
which is pretty
yummy.
cool that they
This
put
is
like that
good,
kind of
guys.
side.
I know.
This is good, and I like the bread.
Yeah, it's really good. All right.
All right, last but not
Alright.
least,
Not last.
well,
Not last
sandwich.
main.
Sandwich.
Yeah, mainish.
We have sides, of course.
It's us. We're
You
hungry.
know, the food trays weren't enough. We had to get sides as well. So this has.
And we have a little
pickles.
that dessert that's kind of melting, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
All right.
Dessert's melting. It's like melting.
Oh man, it is fucking hot.
Oh man.
We might have to get more napkins because we got melting ice cream. I'll put this like this. Oh, it's
That
melting.
smells so real.
Oh my god.
Is it better than the artichoke one? It's bigger, I think. It looks bigger.
Oh my god. The flavor on it, guys.
It looks so good. It
It's so
smells
good.
so good. Do you smell that?
Oh my god. Make sure you get like the carne. Sophia.
Oh.
Sophia was like on the way here, she's like, I don't know if I'm ready to try a burger, guys, a not meat burger. But you're gonna change as soon as you bite
But I
into
mean,
that.
I've tried other stuff, like the loaded fries has the meat on it,
Yeah.
which actually
But
has
this is
really
different.
good flavor.
This
But
has really
is-
good flavor. Do you taste that flavor? Say something, god dang it!
I'm so trying.
You don't say anything for your sandwich, and now you're just quiet on my sandwich.
It's really good. It has a lot of flavor. I like it more than the artichoke
But I
one.
appreciate the
Really?
color and it
Yeah.
makes a lot
And
of
it's
I
a
sense.
took
lot
the
bigger,
pickles off.
too.
I like pickles.
I know, I was gonna say that I put the pickles on the side. Get like
I know,
here.
right? It's
This thing is
big.
huge.
She said, "Holy cow!" and it's not a cow.
Holy cow.
That's like, you know what, for most of the
This is like moment of truth here.
Wow.
Do you think if I was to give this to you
And not tell me?
and not tell you, would you think it was like cow?
No, I just think the meat had a lot of flavor. Like they put a lot of flavor in that
In the carne, right?
carne, yeah. It's like
It doesn't take. And then
it's
look
like
at
a
it.
burst in your mouth. Like when you bite into it,
and
it's
then
just like
look at it.
with
I mean, I
flavor.
know you would get it rare or whatever.
Yeah.
But you don't really do your burgers rare. You get like your steaks rare.
I do medium rare on my
Yeah.
burgers.
But
Sometimes
even
medium, it just
then,
depends.
You
But
see how juicy and flavorful
It's very
it is?
like you. As soon as you take a bite, it's just like flavor,
like
a burst of
instead
flavor.
of the fruit gushers, it's like a fruit gusher.
So something I really wanted to try that I saw on their menu before we came up here
Yuca fries.
was yuca fries.
With
I love
fries.
yuca.
sriracha mayo, CBD infused.
CBD.
How will we like
infused sriracha.
describe a yuca? It's a
Oh,
root.
it's cassava. People know what yuca is.
Okay.
Middle East and South
And
America.
it's this is
If
what I
they're
was
from
excited
Florida.
about was their dipping sauce that they
Yeah.
did with the
The
fries.
fries, yeah.
I grabbed
the
two.
siracha,
CBD
mayo,
infused.
CBD
infused with
infused.
CBD. Yep.
I grabbed two just so you could take one off.
Right.
Because I don't think we'll use all this. And then
Okay.
Sophia's like,
I don't really like spicy sriracha stuff, but I'm gonna try it anyway.
It might not be too spicy since it's mayo, you know.
No, it's
Mayo.
really spicy. Sriracha's really spicy.
This is such a white girl.
I think I've had hotter stuff than sriracha. I mean, I like
Mom
hot
salsa.
stuff. Yeah. Pretty good. Good. Let's see. This is what I was excited for.
Beep, beep, beep.
I saw this on the menu and I said, "Oh my goodness."
Gotta go for it.
That is good.
That is good.
Right.
Wait, what's good? La yuca or the...
No,
Oh.
the yuca is really good. Like whatever seasonings they use on it, as you can see, it kind of has like, you know, seasonings. But the sauce, the mayo, sriracha is very good. It's not extremely spicy. It's like
It tastes like something familiar.
it's like a mild. It tastes kind of like a.
If it were mine, I would just eat the yuca without the mayo. That's just my opinion.
It tastes like something I've had before.
Weird. Doesn't taste familiar to me.
It doesn't taste familiar to me.
Alright, last but not least, besides dessert, is...
Big old plate of mac and cheese in front of us.
Oh,
Oh,
gotta-
yeah.
Show you the dessert
Oh,
before
and then
it
you just
completely
make your
melts.
voice deep. Oh, yeah.
Kool-Aid man. Okay, this is their mac and cheese, and it comes with chorizo on top and some, I don't know if this is parsley, cilantro, or I know there's green onions too, and some vegan parm it looks like. So it looks so good. Where's that for?
Delicious.
There's a spoon too. Sophia wants to try it. What does it have on top? Chorizo?
Yeah.
That looks really good. Like it looks like legit mac and cheese.
Right? Like somewhere
Like no one would
fancy that
question
go
you
to.
if it's real mac and cheese or not.
Oh my god, look at Lisi's face.
It's so good with the chorizo.
Lisa's like, man, I know what I'm gonna tell mom for Thanksgiving. Sophia's like, fuck, I can't wait.
I'm yeah. We're gonna be here for a while.
And we're gonna only see. Did you get some of the parm?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking to Sophia.
Wow.
Good, right?
What?
Really?
I'll still eat that shit, bitch.
That you can't even tell. Like it's
You need to try it with the chorizo.
that's like I would get that on a regular.
It's creamy.
Yeah, the cheesy is it's like very cheesy and creamy, and the parm on top
The
just adds
chorizo,
perfect.
you wouldn't think to add it to mac and cheese on
No,
normal,
yeah.
but it complements it so well.
Yeah, it like gives
Really
it a
good.
really good flavor.
Wow.
On another note, we have some melting ice cream
I
here.
was gonna say mine's probably
We got more dessert, but since it's melting, we might as well eat it now.
say it now.
Oh my gosh. Hers is the worst. What is this again? Acai
Acai
ice cream?
ice cream, I guess.
Yeah,
Gelato.
it has pomegranate seeds in it. They actually give these as
It's so
samples
refreshing.
inside.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. You remember mine?
We didn't, purchase these. They just handed it out.
Yeah, these are little
But
freebies, but
Yeah.
we'll come back with more dessert. But it's
can never forget dessert. I couldn't say it
It's
right.
it's not even that sweet. It's like,
It's refreshing. Like
it's refreshing. Like,
and
if
it's
you like just
and
took a
it's
walk or
hot
something.
too, so it works
It
out.
almost
Yeah.
tastes like bubblegum to me, like a healthy bubblegum.
Yeah. I like this as sweet. Like I always say, I don't know if you ever noticed on our videos. I always say like the desserts we get
Are really sweet.
no, they're
No.
not that sweet.
Oh, they're not sweet.
Yeah,
They're
and
like
light.
sweet. They're sweet enough, but they're not like super
Just make sure
sugary.
you don't get it all over your face because it does.
Yeah,
sting.
it stains your face.
Yeah. But alright guys, we'll be back.
We have a lot of food to eat, and we'll be back because we have
We're
more
getting
desserts.
dessert.
Because
Yeah.
we're fatties.
Alrighty, be right back, guys.
Damn, I put my hair up. Oh, well.
It's fine. You look fine. Just put it on the side. Looks cute on the side.
I've been recording the whole time.
It looks cute on the side. Just put it on the side.
Just put it inside. First you had your hand around her, now you got
Chicken
it.
noodle soup with the soda on the side. Why did that remind me of that?
Alright.
Anyways, guys, time for dessert.
We got a little dessert because we got a big entree.
Yeah, I'm so full.
We're so full. We don't even
Like-
want to eat this cookie right now, but
I know.
We got
for your viewing pleasure.
for the viewing pleasures because we took everything
To go.
to go because we're
And
so full.
we're paying for parking on top of it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
We're almost out of
kinda
time.
Like the only little teensy weensy downside.
Too bad we don't live around here and just walk.
But honestly, it's not that expensive, the parking.
Yeah.
So-
We got what? $3 for 2 hours?
$3
Yeah.
for 2 hours worth of
Not
So-
bad.
All right,
Anyway,
who's going
so-
first?
let's just break it in 3.
Break it in
Who's going first?
4 pieces, whatever.
I
We
want
can
the
all take
small
a
one.
piece.
Why is it green?
Ooh, it's soft.
I said that it was.
No, well, they call it a
soft.
space cookie, so I'm guessing that's why.
It's like a sugar
because it's
cookie.
green. Ooh, you can smell it in it. You can smell the
Both at the
CBD.
same time. I'm over
Holy
here like,
crap.
and you guys are like,
Smelling
oh,
it.
I
You
don't
can
like
smell
that.
it.
I don't like that.
Go for it, buddy.
It's
You're not gonna
CBD.
get high.
It's not.
It's not the fact that I'm gonna get high. It's the it smells like a freaking weed, and I hate weed.
What a weed hater.
I don't
Weed
like the
hater.
smell.
Okay, well, we're taking a bite.
Oh yeah, don't take a bite.
Oh, yeah.
Don't take a bite.
Okay,
We're gonna
sorry
taste
guys. Maybe next time.
It was like when I couldn't drink the smoothie on
Yeah.
the first video because I had pineapple.
Yeah, this smells really bad. Ugh.
Yo, you would think this was an edible.
It might be. It tastes like legit edible, but it's like soft and like very.
Sorry.
It tastes like a sugar cookie.
It just tastes like it
A
probably
green
put
sugar cookie.
weed in the sugar cookies.
At least I had the ice cream.
It's very moist.
Moist. How many people did you just make mad
Moist.
with that water? The water.
Water. That's
Word.
what we need.
No word.
Anyway,
Anyways,
Mom
cookie's
wouldn't like
delicious.
obviously,
Mom wouldn't like
if
this
I don't
cookie.
like it, Mom wouldn't like it. Duh.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Good times.
All right, guys.
Well,
Thank you.
now wrap it up. No
For
problem.
Welcome our guests,
Yeah.
or say goodbye. More like it.
And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and stay tuned because you never know what's coming up next. Bye.
Bye.
Eating a turd.
Are there did they change? Oh, they changed colors.
Look at your teeth. You look.
I know.
Look at my lows.
Malo. Oh look, that's the stuff we used to make ramen pineapple. Oh look at that cup.
CBD oils. Ooh, look at that. That's cool.
They give me like things.
Nachos.
Yes. Thank you. Oh my god, that looks
That looks so good.
Oh,
my
wow.
god. Does this look vegan?
No.
Does this look vegan?
No, it does not look vegan at all.
Picture. Hang on, buddy. Let me
I just recorded everything.
Oh.